Now, if you're wondering how do I bring this to the next line, we have a tag for that. That's the BR tag. So when you have a BR tag, it basically breaks the line. So see, I mentioned the BR tag here, and okay, BR tag doesn't need a closing tag because all it does is break a line. So it just broke the line and came up here. Let me try it. I mean, you could try it anyway. I mean, so I'm gonna keep it in the middle of a line. See, it just broke. But using a BR is not a good practice at all. And BR has to be avoided at all circumstances. We have alternatives for BR. There's a reason we don't use BR, but that we will see in the responsive design when we go for adaptive design. I mean, the same website being used for multiple devices, so it has to stretch all that. So for that reason, we don't use BR, but we certainly do have better alternatives for that. We'll see that in the upcoming videos.